Hello, my name is Amy. I'm a third year primary education student and I am moving back to York. I just spent an amazing semester studying abroad in Norway and now I am back and YSJ has placed me in one of their first year student accommodations for the semester. So I'm going to talk you through my moving day and what it's like moving in and living in Limes Court, a YSJ accommodation in case you're planning on moving in September. So we started off with a very snowy day because I was moving in January. Hopefully September will not have lots of snow for you all. It was quite a long journey. I tried to leave early. We did. I was an hour behind. It always happens. I overpacked and I had to unpack. It happens to the best of us. But my dad parked behind uni because you get 10 minutes free, and I headed to collect my key. I think the average person I definitely did in first year collected my key from Holgate building, which there'll be so many people around on your moving day to help you out. It's a bit desolate right now because it's January when I'm moving in, so uni is not open. And I collected my key. I got a little wallet, I got a little information pack, and then I headed to Limes Court. And oh my goodness, the weather was perfect, the sun was shining, and Limes Court is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I just had to stop for a minute before I even went inside and just appreciate. Look how cute and homely this is. It isn't like the really super big buildings that just look like big, dull grey. Like, it's so gorgeous. It feels like such a lovely little place to live in your first home. And here I am stepping inside for the first time. It's very exciting. I love the red theme. That is my favourite colour, so that is perfect. And here's a little empty room tour. It looks so different now. I can't believe it. And look at the wardrobe space. Doesn't it just look so good? I've never seen that much wardrobe space in any university accommodation. That is super good. One of my little top tips was to keep your clothes on the hangers while you move and just put little elastic bands around them, because then look how easy that was. I just put my clothes already hung in the car. There's my sister hiding because she didn't want to be on camera. But we started bringing in all of the things. I have so much stuff. I was a bit worried about where it would all go, but honestly, it fits so good. And I started putting up my tapestries because Limes Court is like the only accommodation with YSJ that has so many pinboards around the room, so you can really personalize it, make it your own, and you don't just have white bare walls surrounding you. Like, I have made my walls so colourful. And then I started putting away all my clothes. I made sure to pop my key on the back of the door on a lanyard because I need to do that every year so I do not forget it. Honestly, I wear it as a necklace half the time because then I will never lose it. I put up some pictures and then I celebrated my move-in with my friends with a bottomless brunch. And then here is a lovely little room tour. And now I'm all moved in. I put a little mat on my desk so I don't have to worry about getting anything dirty or leaving any marks that I won't be able to get rid of. I have got a lovely heated blanket because it is January in York, so it is a little bit chilly. And I have decorated. I have put lots of things everywhere, so it kind of looks like a bit of a mess, but it's an organised mess, I promise. Like, I know where everything is. Limes Court is one of those places where you just can feel so instantly at home, and I love it. And I hope that this has maybe changed your mind or helped you feel more comfortable about potentially moving into Limes Court or any YSG accommodation in September. Bye bye.